how to check your specs of your PC. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check your specs of your PC. To check the specs, first of all you'll have to open your settings of your device. For that, at the left bottom below you will find the search bar. Click on the search bar and there type settings. Once you find the settings icon from the search result from the list, click on the settings icon. And you will be taken to this page. On this page, you will find various setting options. Select the first one that says System. Double click on it to enter it. Once you enter this page, at the left side you will find various options. From the left side, scroll down until you find About option. Once you find this About option, again double click on it to explore it. And after clicking on it, you will find your specifications of your PC here. When you scroll down, you will also get to see your Windows specifications. So in this way you can check your specs of your PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.